Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming your Ps4 supports 5 GHz. Pro and Slim models typically do. Once done, make sure your router broadcasts a distinct 5 GHz SSID and that you know its password. Move the Ps4 within about 3 meters of the router to avoid signal loss while testing. Now power on the Ps4, go to Settings, then Network. Choose Set up Internet Connection to begin switching bands. This gets you immediately into the actionable setup. You'll see the list of nearby networks. Pick the 5 GHz SSID you created on the router. Watch for a separate name from the 4 GHz band. Enter the password exactly as configured because Ps4 won't guess for you. Next, keep settings on automatic for IP and DHCP and set MTU to automatic. Only change DNS if you need specific servers. Once connected, test internet connection in network settings to confirm speed and stability. This verifies the switch worked. Finish by running Ps4 network test to confirm download/upload speeds and a stable NAT type. If speeds are lower than expected, make sure the 5 GHz channel isn't congested. Change to another 5 GHz channel in the router and retest. Also verify router firmware is current and that no co-S rules limit the Ps4. If problems persist, temporarily use a wired LAN cable or reposition the router for line of sight. This often resolves interference issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.